that, let's get you updates coming in. A man is said to have attempted suicide in Maharashtra. He jumped from the 7th floor of Mantralaya in Maharashtra and he fell on the nets. He jumped off the 7th floor and rescue operations are currently underway. The visuals that you're seeing on the screens are of the rescue operations that are ongoing. The man jumped off the 7th floor, but there were nets that had already been put in place. So he was caught, thankfully, by the nets, after which immediately people stepped in, and we can see in the visuals police officials trying to bring him up. So thankfully, he was saved, but he was attempting suicide. And some of the onlookers had also immediately spotted the man. Within seconds, he jumped off the 7th floor. He was attempting to end his life, but there are these precautionary nets that have been put in place in Mantralaya, and that saved his life. My colleague Rucha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rucha, who is this man? Thankfully, he escaped unhurt. What are the details? The rescue operations are ongoing.
The latest information that we have is the person was trying to make announcements. He was trying to reach out to the ministers as there's a cabinet meeting going on of Maharashtra. He wanted his demands to be fulfilled, and which is why he, to grab attention of the ministers, he tried to attempt a suicide, and he jumped from the 7th floor of Mantralaya. Now all the other floors have been already covered with a net so that people won't make such attempts, but the 7th floor is still open, and he attempted a suicide from there, and he jumped. After that, we can see in the visuals that he was severely injured, and he will now be taken to the JJ hospital to get done his medical checkup, and post that he will be taken to nearest police station, that is the Marine Drive police station, to understand what was his intention behind doing it, whether it was just to grab attention or what was his demanding, and the entire background why he made such an suicidal attempt.
Okay, all right. So he had come to the Mantralaya, and the information available at this point say that he wanted to meet some of the ministers. He could not get time, after which he was upset, and then he decided to jump off the 7th floor. But Rucha, any more details coming in on what was the issue that he wanted to meet the ministers for? How did he gain access there? Thankfully, he was saved because of the nets there, because of the precautionary nets that had been put in place. But any details coming in on what was the issue that he wanted to speak about or wanted to get attention on?
The Mantralaya police is currently investigating the matter, where he belonged from, and what was his intention behind doing such an action. And till now, he is first being taken to the hospital to know how much injuries that he has been in this incident, and post that he will be taken to the nearest police station. And in the video, we can see that he already had the documents.
Thankfully, he was immediately rescued. Thank you for joining us with those details, Rucha. With that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.